Hi there. Lisa and I are here to try this Metin
That's the brand.
Tahin Halva. Here's the packaging right here. I've tried some halvas that I thought tasted pretty good. But I've also had some that I didn't care for. The texture doesn't really bother me. It's a sandy texture, by the way.
No, thank you.
No, I'm just letting you know.
I don't want any.
You don't want to try it?
It's sandy texture? Yeah, no.
Yeah, but it could be tasty.
Okay.
Tasty. Oh, it has a very chocolatey smell to it.
Let's watch how her face responds to it.
There is the product, what it looks like. That's why we're doing this outside, is because it's sandy and messy.
Yeah, it's sandy and messy. Actually, doesn't look like it'd be sandy, but...
It smells like a Nutter Butter. Yeah.
Yep.
Smells exactly like a Nutter Butter.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Doesn't look crumbly or sandy.
Here, take a bite.
Okay, I see your sandy texture now. It's actually not that bad.
Mm-hmm.
A little strong. Get there. But yeah, similar to a Nutter Butter.
Yeah, it's extremely similar to a Nutter Butter. I like it. I'll look at this again. It's very, very dense.
Yeah.
So I kind of took a big bite.
Yeah, you did. I took a little bite and that was enough for me.
I didn't realize how dense it was going to be. But yeah, I like this. I'm going to see if I can find a link to this online. If I can, I'll link it below. And if you've ever tried this before, what'd you think? Did you like it? And if you're not familiar with Nutter Butter, it is a peanut butter cookie. This reminds me very much of that. A lot.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But maybe with a hint of a chocolatey smell with it. I don't really taste too much chocolatey flavor.
It's
but
more of the Nutter Butter kind of flavor.
Yeah. But
Well,
the dog's getting all
alright, we're good.
wrapped up in the thing. Alright, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.